say freedom's dangerous. It's a threat to those in power. It's a threat to their lives. It's their demise. Call me a rebel, but my cause is as pure as the sun. It's freedom I desire, the sweet truth, no more lies. Global elitists with no one that they answer to are controlling your lives, are controlling your lives. And if you don't believe me, look at your meds, water, tech, and your food. The slow kill has arrived. You see the all-seeing eye. So push back. It's time to awake. We've forgotten our power. We've forgotten our place. We're under attack, but don't be afraid. We're an army for truth. Stay together, don't break. Patriots awaken. Crooked are the fallen. Twisted games they play with lives. Now what have we done? We let them overrun. We gave them a foothold. We gave them our minds and our hearts. We almost gave them our souls. But now we're taking back control. Pick up the fallen. Reach out and take a brother's hand. Stand fast for the truth, 'cause it starts with you. We are the chosen, but it's not for the faint of heart. We fight for the truth. We fight for you. So push back. It's time to awake. We've forgotten our power. We've forgotten our place. We're under attack, but don't be afraid. We're an army for truth. Stay together, don't break. Patriots awaken. It's time to awake. We've forgotten our power. We've forgotten our place. We're under attack, but don't be afraid. We're an army for truth. Stay together, don't break. Patriots awaken. Oh yeah. We fight for the truth. Patriots awaken. Patriots awaken. Patriots awaken. We fight for the truth. Patriots awaken. Patriots awaken. Please awaken. Patriots awaken.